Hey everyone, my name is Nick Fiorini with Adams. I'm our machine vision and connectivity specialist. This is going to be part one of an IO-Link series of videos that we're going to produce. Today we're going to focus mostly on the condition monitoring sensor from Balluff. So some common applications for condition monitoring that we've seen our customers use are on fans, motors, pumps, gearboxes, and conveyors. And really we're just looking for any wearable mechanical component and looking to analyze the vibration and send alerts or output to a machine to shut off if we get outside our defined tolerances for vibration or temperature. And with me here today I have Daniel Koziel, an automation and reliability consultant with Adams. He covers Southwest Florida and he has a strong controls engineering background, so he did a lot of this programming, and he's going to walk you through a condition monitoring demo that he programmed using our massage gun.
Getting into the technology here, we have the BCM condition monitoring sensor mounted to this massage gun with 3 different levels: low, medium, and high. We're taking this data and showcasing it on this smart light from Balluff, which is different from a traditional stack light that has fixed colors and fixed segments. As we get into the 3 levels here, what you'll see is our green mode. Our green mode is the machine is operating as it should. We get into the next vibration level, our medium level. That's when we want to say, hey, we're having some issues over here. Our vibration is coming out of our good threshold and we need to alert somebody. Getting into the final mode here is our critical action step. Hey, maybe we need to send an output to the PLC to say, shut the machine down. We're exceeding way too much vibration. We're causing catastrophic failures in our operation. Showing the different levels here as well on our graph, you'll see them broken down into 3 separate lines. We have our X vibration, our Y vibration, and our Z vibration, as well as our vibration average, which we were showcasing here on the Balluff Smart Light. Again, as you see we change the different vibration levels, you'll see those trending data points move on the graph here. You're also able to view this data through the GUI, which is a free GUI offered by Balluff by typing in the IP address of the IO-Link Master. What you'll see is the vibration velocities in the root mean squared values, or RMS. You'll also see the vibration velocities in peak to peak. You can also grab data like vibration acceleration RMS and vibration acceleration peak to peak. You'll always have the vibration, or you'll always have the contact temperature for these as well. And that wraps up everything we had today for the condition monitoring demo.
Thank you, Daniel. So to summarize here, we have our condition monitoring sensor. We can monitor X, Y, and Z vibration, contact temperature, ambient pressure, and relative humidity. And we could send that data wherever we need. We could send it to the PLC to make decisions to shut off a machine if we're outside a predefined tolerance. We could send it up to a SCADA system to analyze and make long-term trends and make more informed decisions with that data. And in future content series, we're going to go over the types of data that you can collect from IO-Link devices and how to make more informed decisions with that data. So thanks for tuning in. Contact Daniel, myself, or your local Adams rep if you want more information on this or an on-site demo, and we appreciate your time.
Thank you, guys.